How to withdraw money from a Lazada wallet to a bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from a Lazada wallet to a bank account. Open the Lazada app and navigate to the Lazada wallet section. Within the Lazada wallet, locate and tap on the deposit option. From the deposit menu, select the withdraw option. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Provide your bank account details for the transfer. Review the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Confirm Withdraw to initiate the transfer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.